You think your push-ups are building a thick chest? If your chest still looks flat, it's almost never about genetics. It's about form. In the next 2 minutes, I'll show you 5 common mistakes that kill chest activation and how to fix each one so every rep actually hits your pecs. Mistake 1. Looking up. When you lift the chin, your neck and traps take the load, not your chest. Fix. Keep your gaze down, head neutral, crown in line with your spine. Do wall push-ups with a neutral chin until it feels natural. Mistake 2. Elbows flat wide. Flat elbows turn a press into a shoulder movement and raise impingement risk. Fix. Tuck the elbows about 45 degrees. Imagine forming an arrow with your forearms. Mistake 3. Hips sagging. A sagging hip leaks force and stresses your low back. Fix. Brace the core, squeeze the glutes, and stack your body head to heel. Mistake 4. Shoulders rolled forward. That protraction steals stability and reduces chest force transfer. Fix. Pull your shoulder blades slightly together and keep your ribs neutral. Mistake 5. Pressing straight up and down. If you only move vertical, you miss the forward drive that targets the chest line. Fix. Push a little forward. Drive the floor away on a small diagonal. 3 seconds down, 1 second up. Now combine everything. Neutral head, tucked elbows, tight core, retracted shoulders, forward drive. Go slower. Feel the tension in the chest. That's progress. Try it now and tell me in the comments how many perfect push-ups did you get. Subscribe for no-nonsense coaching from Hub.